academic achiever, James Paul L. Rabor.
So, ito yung t-shirt ko ng Pasig Chinese School, guys. Graduate ako ng elementary school, guys, sa Pasig Chinese School. Yung diploma ko, guys, ng elementary graduate ako, guys. Tapos, Lim Rabor, grade 6. Ayun! Ako, guys, sa Pasig Chinese School, Pasyo, Washaw, Sheshaw. James Paul Lim Rabor, guys. So, yan, Pasig Chinese School. Pakita mo kayo dun. Legit. Lim Chanship. Ito yung pangalan ko, guys. Lim Chanship. Roots. Mga so, Scholastica de San Alfonso, ito diploma ko, yung grade 10, guys. So, tapos ako. James Paul Lim Rabor, Scholastica. Kailapitan. So, diploma natin ng grade 12, guys, sa St. John Bosco Angono, guys. So, James Paul Lim Rabor, certified graduate ako ng St. John Bosco. Kita ba kayo doon? Black na sa rin.
So, kaya po, sir, Manila. Pinag-desisyo. $7.75 divided by 3. 2.5 lang individual. Sa pa.
Tapos, pag nagkamali na naman kayo,
Ang gagawin?
Ito yata lilipat yata.
Okay po.
Sulat lang ako ng pangalan.
Gusto na yung higit, guys? Ano yung ginagawa mo? So yun, guys, what's up mga ka-Jeepers? St. Vincent de Paracamaret Inc. Guys, so academic excellent with high honors, guys. So yun, guys, grade 11 ko, guys. James Paul Rabor for being an academic achiever with high honors, guys. So academic excellent award. So yun, guys, thank you.
Achiever, James Paul L.
So ito yung t-shirt ko ng Pasig Chinese School. Graduate ako ng elementary school, guys, sa Pasig Chinese School. Yung diploma ko, guys, ng elementary graduate ako, guys. Tapos yung grade 6. Ayun! Ako, guys, sa Pasig Chinese School, Pasig Washaw Station, James Paul Lim Rabor, guys. Pakita mo yun. Legit. Lim Chanship. Kung yung pangalan ko, guys. Lim Chanship.